In this video I'm going to show you how to connect your Epic Games account to Steam. To begin, navigate to the Epic Games website. Then, log into your account. You also need to open the Steam website and log into your Steam account as well. Return to the Epic Games website. Click on your username, followed by account. You will be directed to the General Settings tab of your account. Scroll down to the Connections section and select Accounts. This will display all your connected accounts on Epic Games. Let's connect Steam. To do this, click on Connect. You will be prompted to link your Steam account. Enter your Steam username and password. Once you have entered your credentials, you will see a confirmation message. Click on Sign In. Your Steam account will now be connected to your Epic Games account. To verify the connection, navigate to the Connections section under your account settings. You should now see Steam listed as one of your connected accounts.